will I will be your facilitator today. So before we start the lesson, let's pray. So Ivan, please lead the prayer.
Our Father, and let's pray. Our most gracious God, the Father, that you give us a good morning, and the opportunity to learn more about mathematics, give us wisdom, and give us protection, peace, bless our teachers, classmates, and the systems,
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
So please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So again, before we start, does anybody know what what is our lesson about today? Today, we're going to discuss about trigonometric identities. So what is trigonometric identities? So before we proceed, may I call on Ate Maricel to read the first paragraph.
Trigonometric identities are mathematical equalities involving sine, cosine, and tangent that remain true for all values of the variables involved, allowing complex expressions to be simplified.
Thank you, Ate Maricel. So, trigonometric identities refers to, it is already, binisayo na to, in our modern world or in our real life, geometry or any sorts of mathematical tree is very important, especially towards building in architecture or any sorts of engineering. So, very common dyan na regardless kung unsa na siya nga pagtukod pa lang daan ng building, majority atong gagamitan is very simple mathematics lang, di ba? However, it's true din very easy, Pythagorean, mga triangle, and whatsoever. So, the purpose of trigonometric identities is to make complex trigonometric function, expression into a more simplified version of it. So, how do we do it? So, next, so please read the second paragraph.
Proving trigonometric identities involves using algebraic techniques and fundamental formulas to transform one side of an equation into the other.
Thank you, Ate. Next. So, it is already obvious ever since nga elementary to high school to college, our mathematical understanding has always been progressive. So, meaning, so, level 1 pa lang, level 4 to taas, bali, sa pinaka-sayo, ito isod-isod. May nabutan dire. So anyway, kung na nga na to sa una, especially when in terms to triangle or any sorts of mga theorem, magamit na to siya in order to prove trigonometric identities. So basically, what I'm saying is, trigonometric identities refers to proving if a certain or let's say random na equation into similar, like transform one side equation to another. So basically saying, if we try to give any sorts of formula, theoretically, suppose natin given, and then natin kanang murag usan ko the formula. So this specific formula and the other side na given, theoretically, both are the same. So basically, the trigonometric identities is basically used in order to prove that the given formula and the other one are the same. So moving on, we have three different identities. We have the Pythagorean identities, the reciprocal identities, and the quotient identities. These three identities is very important in order to get the trigonometric. Basically, mas dali ato makita kung unsa ang duha ka equation like kung pareha ba sila or dili, or differently mas madali nato makita ang way in order to find nga kani sila duha ma-prove that they are the same identity. So we have the Pythagorean identities. So basically, kung in order to sa nakita nato, Pythagorean identities nasa like always squared. So natay so random na gamay unsa na sila ha. So we have the reciprocal identities and the quotient identities. So dili jud ta makasinabot ani kung matay drawing. So let's mag-draw tag kanang atay gitawag nga tan, sine, cos, hexagon. So literal ni siya nga hexagon, ano siya? So in the tan sine cos hexagon, we have the tan. And at bang sa tan, we have the cot. We have the sine and cos. And in the top, we have the second and cosecant. Or siya tawag. So, inside, naatay 1. So this is very important because in the reciprocal identities na puti 1. Same goes for the Pythagorean identities. So basically, nasa sila yung murag pattern in order nga makuha tani. So first of all, dili ta una sa product mo. So natay gitawag nga product. So basically, ang product is kung kuha na to ang tan, basically ana din ang product line na tan sec So anyway, the tan and sec is ana na siya ana. So same goes for the different types of mga kani sila. So CEC is equals to also cot or secant. Same goes for cos to kana siya si cot in the side and so on and so forth. So this is the product because wala product identities kay wala man sila nakabutan diri. So moving on dito na sa reciprocal identities. So medyo masayon ni siya. So sa cot equals 1 over tan. So kung tanaw diri si cot 1 into sine. Then sa CSC 1 over 7.
That's all.
So basically reciprocal identities is straight ra siya, straight ana reciprocal. So if we look at here, secant equals 1 in cos. So nasi sec dere kasi 1 na si cos. Straight ra siya na tayong children, diba? So sa quotient identities, we have the tan, sine, and cos. So straight jab man siya. However, kung ang reciprocal na sulod, ang quotient nasa gawas. So look at this. So nakapunta dito tan equals sine over cos. Diri po tan equals sine over cos. So straight na siya. Ana. So now that we have the basic foundation na kung saan siya mga identities, then yung na solving. So another example dire. So like I said again, the reciprocal identities refers to improve na to kung kani siya nga identity ay kani siya nga formula is parehas siya. So atong buhaton is i-simplify. So let's have an example. So we have cot equals to CSC. So, karon, we're going to prove whether sila are the same. So, let's start. So, as I said before, if naasay mo ng square, there's a possibility ay pwede na ito magamit si Pythagorean identities, which is if we try to look at here, si CSC and we have the given. So, let's proceed to the answer now. So, if we try to look at here, nasa squared. So as I said before, if na squared, we can use the Pythagorean identity. So kung matanaw ka diri, we have CC squared. Nandiyo din siya sa Pythagorean identity. So let's try 1/4. X. So kung tanaw na to, pareho sila. And then, dyan naman sa set. So, we have tan squared plus 1. So, right now, punta na ito sa ay ka na open parenthesis kaya ito. So, ayun na siya. And then, sasakabot mo na dere, solve na yung tab. But before we start, ako sa silang inverse kay minus man siya. So basically, ang itabo, ano siya? Ilaptang natin siya. And then, kinin sila, may mo, negative, kinin mo, negative, anak. So basically, ang mahitabo is Yan. X, ayun, minus 1. And then, si Sam na dire, ato di siya cancel out. So, ato di cancel out. And then, makuha rin natin si pinaka-third. Sumuli kasi. So now, since may example lang ta, mapanswer ko. So the first one, so anyway, since we are done here, from the example, may I call on one volunteer to solve this problem? Ate Mars?
Ang second, sir, is equal to, I will use the reciprocal identity, sir. So, 1 equals to, yes, is na ako sa sir. Then, common denominator dahil na yun, sir. Kuha kay cos x gayon. So, kung kanya lagay, multiply man mo sa cos x over cos x. So, ano siya kay understood mo siya na ay 1. So, bakit? Then, cosine times cosine, ano siyang cosine squared x. Then, ang 1 minus cosine x squared sa Pythagorean theorem siya kay sine squared x over cos cosine x. Then, ano sinabili na dapat sinabili na sine out. Ay, dayon, after lang sa sakit, pwede siya ma-factor into buha. Sine x times sine then ang sine, pwede din siya i-simplify pag ito to. Sine x over cosine x inalay natin sa so, ayun siya tangent. Ang sine over cosine is tangent. Ayun, ay nabili na sine x. So, nanasakit.
Correct, So congratulations, Ms. Maricel. Since we already have the example and we already have the small activity na kuling-kuling siya, I am going to hatag-hatag na lang the assignment for a very later activity. So, everyone, please stand up. Goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye and thank you, Sir Gavin.